We often encounter everyday items with untapped potential. Chicken feathers, often discarded, hold surprising versatility. Their softness, lightness, and natural beauty offer a unique opportunity for sustainable living. Let's explore how these humble treasures can enhance our lives. By repurposing chicken feathers, we embrace a mindful approach to consumption. We discover joy in giving new life to things often overlooked. This journey into the world of feather finesse promises practical solutions and a deeper connection to nature's simple wonders. Celebrating creativity, we find endless possibilities with feathers. Transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary, let's begin. Chicken feathers provide a delicate touch for starting seeds. Their soft structure creates an airy environment, perfect for fragile roots. This natural alternative to synthetic materials promotes healthy growth. Benefits include gentle support for delicate seedlings, breathable material for optimal root development, and being biodegradable and environmentally friendly. Instructions. First, collect clean and dry chicken feathers. Place a few feathers at the bottom of a small pot or seed tray. Add seed starting mix on top of the feathers. Sow seeds according to their specific instructions. Feathers provide a nurturing cradle for your seeds. This simple hack brings a touch of nature indoors, fostering growth and minimizing waste. Watch your seedlings thrive in this natural, sustainable environment. Over time, you'll see the remarkable difference in growth and vitality. Enjoy the satisfaction of nurturing your plants with this eco-friendly method. Spoil your furry friends with cozy beds made from chicken feathers. Their natural loft provides warmth and cushioning, ensuring a comfortable rest. Pets will love the soft and inviting texture. Benefits include soft and comfortable bedding for pets, providing warmth and insulation, and being a natural and safe alternative to synthetic fillings. Instructions. Collect a large quantity of clean and dry chicken feathers. Use a tightly woven fabric to create a pillowcase or pet bed cover. Stuff the cover with the collected feathers, ensuring even distribution. Sew or tie the opening securely. This DIY project is a testament to our love for animals and the environment. Give your pets the gift of natural comfort while reducing waste. Your pets will thank you for the extra comfort and care. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing you've made a sustainable choice. Chicken feathers make exceptional dusters, especially for delicate surfaces. Their soft barbs gently lift dust without scratching. This natural alternative to microfiber cloths is perfect for cleaning fragile items. Benefits include being gentle on delicate surfaces, effectively collecting dust and cobwebs, and providing a static-free cleaning experience. Instructions. Gather a handful of large, intact chicken feathers. Securely attach the feather quills together using twine or a rubber band. Use the feather duster to gently remove dust from delicate objects, lampshades, or electronics. Experience the satisfaction of a dust-free home while minimizing your environmental impact. This simple hack proves that effective cleaning solutions can be gentle and sustainable. Plus, it's perfect for those hard-to-reach places, like between keyboard keys. Enjoy a cleaner, healthier living space with this easy and eco-friendly tool. Elevate your gift-giving with the rustic charm of chicken feathers. Their natural elegance adds a unique touch to any present. Skip the plastic ribbons and embrace this eco-friendly alternative. Select clean and attractive chicken feathers. Tie feathers onto gift boxes using twine or ribbon. Arrange feathers creatively to enhance the presentation. This simple gesture transforms ordinary gifts into cherished keepsakes. It's a beautiful way to express care for both the recipient and the environment. Make your gift stand out with this artistic touch. Enhance your composting process with the addition of chicken feathers. Their high nitrogen content acts as a valuable amendment, promoting decomposition. This natural booster enriches your compost pile. Collect clean and dry chicken feathers. Add a handful of feathers to your compost pile along with other organic materials. Turn the compost pile regularly to ensure proper aeration and decomposition. By incorporating chicken feathers into our composting routine, we close the loop on waste. We transform discarded materials into valuable resources, nourishing our gardens and reducing our environmental impact. Over time, the feathers break down, creating rich, fertile compost for your garden. Our choices have ripple effects. Embracing chicken feather hacks lessens our reliance on synthetic materials. This simple shift reduces pollution and conserves resources. Imagine a world where resourcefulness is celebrated. By choosing natural alternatives, we contribute to a healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. Let's make conscious decisions that align with our values. Together, we can create a sustainable future. Sustainability is not a distant concept. It's a series of mindful choices. Repurposing chicken feathers embodies this principle. We find joy in giving new life to things often discarded. This shift in perspective empowers us. We become mindful consumers, seeking value beyond fleeting trends. We discover beauty in simplicity and resourcefulness. This journey towards sustainability is a collective endeavor, one mindful choice at a time. Together, we can make a significant impact, nurturing a sustainable future for all. There's a certain magic in transforming the ordinary into something extraordinary. Repurposing chicken feathers sparks creativity and resourcefulness. It's a testament to human ingenuity. These creations bring joy and a sense of accomplishment. We appreciate the inherent beauty of natural materials. This journey of repurposing is a celebration of creativity and sustainability, a testament to the potential that lies within everyday objects. And when we showcase these feather crafts, we see the art in everyday life. It's a shared journey, bringing communities together through collaborative projects. Chicken feathers, often overlooked, hold remarkable potential. By embracing these simple hacks, we unlock a world of sustainable living. We reduce waste, minimize our environmental impact, and discover joy in resourcefulness. Let's challenge conventional thinking and explore the possibilities that surround us. Embrace the versatility of chicken feathers and embark on a journey of creativity, sustainability, and mindful living. Together, we can make a difference, one feather at a time. By working together, we can create a brighter, more sustainable future.